I'm Brie the plant lady, and today is broccoli harvesting time. I planted this broccoli about 2 months ago in 100-gallon root pouches filled with soil cube compost. I bought these broccoli plants from Home Depot. Bonnie Organics has wonderful plants available at the box stores this year. So they have grown really big, and it's time not only to harvest them, but to preserve them so that I can eat this broccoli later on in the year. So to harvest, I'm just using a knife. I'm basically sawing the tops off. And then I'm gonna remove the leaves. I'm just gonna make a pile.
Hi, I'm Flora, and I'm at Brie the Plant Lady's Foodscape, and she's letting me pick broccoli that she grew in these huge 100-gallon tubs with soil cube, and I've never done it before, and I'm gonna go at it with a knife. So here we go. How low do you cut?
You just want to kind of go right below where the floret starts, so maybe right in here. This is a heading variety of broccoli. Some are sprouting, so when you cut that apical meristem, then they will start to sprout from the sides. It's possible that this would do that, but at this stage in late mid-May, I'm gonna remove these plants because I'm ready to get tomatoes planted into these pouches, which was my original motivation for putting in 3 100-gallon root pouches. So today kind of culminates the effort of the spring so that maybe tomorrow I can get summer started. Look at all these.
That's crazy.
There's one more big one.
Ran out of hands.
Right? I feel like Jolly Green Giant has nothing on us right now.
Oh, there's another one.
Okay. This was about $7 worth of broccoli plants that I bought on, I don't know, like March 10th. So it was a pretty good investment
Yeah,
for all this produce.
that's crazy.
So I'm just draining the broccoli. This is sat in a saltwater brine, and the purpose of that is to kill all the bugs. It's a brilliant idea because there were a couple of caterpillars in here. So now I'm just gonna rinse it and let it dry, and I'm gonna get my big pot of boiling water ready, and then a big pot of cold water and ice so that I can blanch and cool and then get this all bagged up and frozen. My water is boiling. I'm going to set the timer for 3 minutes. So the broccoli is going to boil for 3 minutes in the water, and then it's going to have 3 minutes in the ice bath.